Hello everyone. Today we learn about some shortcut key in Excel. With the help of shortcut key, you can make your life very easy in Excel. There is multiple shortcut keys which can make your life very easy in Excel and and it will make your work very faster and accurate. So let's learn about it. First of all, we see the control plus E. So whatever your data is, let's say here I have name separated by first name and last name. So I want to separate those two things. So in first name I type Liam, okay, and in last name Johnson, okay. Now click enter over here and press from the keyboard press Control E. So what happen here is it will it will print for me all the last names in remaining cells, and same thing I can do for first name as well. So come back to this cell, Control E. Okay, so here in this cell all the first name is filled, and here in the cell all the last name is filled. Whatever up to whatever data we have, that everything is filled. Okay, so another one is Control D. So this is a very useful shortcut key. See, if we want to duplicate anything, we can use this Control D. Let's say I want to repeat this line in here in the bottom cell as well. So what I'll do is I select this all the cells whichever field in upper cells. Now I press Control D from keyboard. Okay, so what happened here is Excel will create exactly same data whichever have in upper row. We can do it same thing for the objects also. Let's say I want to make a duplicate of this object. So what I'll do is I will do just Control D. It will make duplicate for me. Yes, I can put select and put over here anywhere I want. Now, sometime what happens is our text in overflow in the next cells. So it is not looking good. So what we'll do is from whichever position we want the text to be wrapped to let's say break into second line. So just we select that position from with the help of mouse and keyboard and press con enter alter enter. Yes, so what he'll Excel will do is automatically it wrap up the text and adjust all our text in the one cell. So just press enter. See, all the text is adjusted in this one cell. But currently I do not want to do this, so I'll do Control Z. Control Z. Okay, so far we are good. Now see, multiple shortcut keys written over here. Let's see one by one how it is work. Okay, so we have one table related to student data. We don't want this, just delete it. Okay, so let's see how control enter works. If we want to do total for this all these subjects, what we can do is equal to sum open bracket, select all the subject, close the bracket, press enter. What happen here is it will do only for this one row, but we want to do for all this row. So what we'll do is we select all the columns from this row and again write the formula equal to sum open bracket, select all the subject marks, close the bracket. Now instead of pressing simple enter, what I'll do is I press control and enter, control and enter from the keyboard. Okay, so what happened here is it will print all the data which we have selected columns automatically. Okay, now I want to see from my table that how many columns have this formula applied. Like if I select this one, I can see that yeah, this column has a formula, this column has a formula. But what if I want to see everything at the same time? So what we'll do, we use control plus tilde sign. Just select your data and press control tilde from keyboard. Okay. So what happened here is it will show us all the formulas wherever we have in our table. It will print all the formulas and show us that formula. Instead of value, it will show the formula. If we want to remove this, again it is a toggle button. So we press from the keyboard control tilde. Yeah, came back the same which we have. Now let's see control G what do for us. Let's say we have some blank data. Let's say I delete some data from here. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So what control G is do is it will select all the blank data for us. Let's say select first our table, press control G. Our table is table 36, so I select table 36 and go to spatial. Yep. And click blanks from here. And click OK. Okay, so all blank cells are selected for us. Like if you want to enter 77, let's say we want to enter 77 in all this data, all these cells. So what we'll do is press 77 from the keyboard. Now with the help of control enter, press control enter from the keyboard. Yes, and what happen is in all these blank cells it will print us 77 for us. So this is the functionality of shortcut control G. So please like and share this video and also press bell icon so you will get notification whatever new video I have. Okay, let's move ahead. Now let's see what control shift L do for us. Okay, so click anywhere from your table in your table and press control shift L from the keyboard. See what happened here is it will automatically add a filter for us. Here for all these columns we have the filters. We can select filters from here. Let's say okay, I want to see only this first hours. Okay, so I select this. Okay, so it will filter for us this thing. Again, I want to see all the data. Click OK. Okay, and if we want to remove this filter, so again this is a toggle one. So again we will press Control Shift L from the keyboard. It will remove the filter. It is very useful tool to have filter and then remove the filter. Okay, now let's see F4 function key for F4 from the keyboard. What it will do is so what function key do is it repeat the same previous task for us. Let's say I selected this one and change the font of this text. Let's say I change to red. Okay, so again I want to change for this as well, so I will not do and go to over there and click that a sign, but what I'll do is just I press F4 from the keyboard. Let's say yeah, again came here down, again press F4. Okay, so this looks easy, but this is a very, very useful tool, useful shortcut key. Let's see if we want to add some row, one row in the here in between. Let's say insert. I inserted one row. Again, I want to repeat the same thing like multiple time, 4 to 5 times. What I'll do is I just press function F4 from the keyboard. Let's say it will do is same thing for me every time. This is this is how it is very useful. Again, I do not want to row, so I will delete this one time and again press function for F4 key from the keyboard. Let's say F4 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 F4. See, this is how it is very useful shortcut key. Now let's see what alter plus equal to sign will do for us. So this is for total. Let's say we want grand total of this all total marks. So what we'll do is press alter equal to sign from the keyboard. See, it will automatically detect our data and select those data and quickly write the sum formula for us. Now we just need to enter over here. Yes, and it will print all the totals, grand total for the all our totals. Okay. Now we have control minus and control plus shortcut key. What it will do is it will do insert any row or column for us. Let's say I select row from here and press control plus sign. So what it'll do is it will automatically adding for a row for us. Let's say I want to delete the same. So what I'll do is I press control minus. Okay, control minus from the keyboard. Same thing we can do for column as well. Let's say select this column and control plus, it will add column for us. Okay, same repeat for to delete the columns. Control minus minus. Okay. Now let's see some other shortcut keys as well. See, here I have items and rate of the items. Here rate is not looking much good. Let's say we want to add some rupees sign over here. So what we'll do is select all the data which we want to add rupees sign. So we press Control Shift and dollar. Okay, so it will print rupees sign and even it will add comma and decimal sign as well for us. So this is clearly we can say this is rupees 10,028.49 something like that. Okay. Now let's see what alter F1 will do for us. Let's say select our data or table we can say. Now press alter F1 from the keyboard. Okay. So what Excel do here is it will automatically create the graph for us, whatever default graph we have, that will be printed over here. Okay, so here from the above this tab, you can select any type of design and pattern of the graph, whichever you want. There is a multiple option. Even in this button also, you will find some different option also. So, and the same thing we can adjust over here and put over here as well, maybe. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is how we can do for our shortcut keys. That's it for the day. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you.